Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Abhishek Sharma and I am working as an account director digital marketing in Software Tax Private Limited. And today we learn how to create a FB lead instant form campaign in the FB ads account. So let me show you how to do it on Facebook ad dashboard. So let's start how to create a FB instant lead form campaign in the FB ads account. So first of all, to create this campaign, we need to click on the create button, and then they will give us different objectives to choose from. So I'll choose lead one because in the lead objective we have the option to create an instant form campaign. So I'll continue with it. Once I'll continue with, we need to choose manual because at the recommended setting they will give us to create an automatic campaign in which we can't control things like audience placement. So I will choose manual lead campaign and I'll continue it. Once I continue with it, now I will on the campaign level, and at the campaign level we need to give it a name. Then I will give it a name, instant form, and then I will put here date so that we will know on which date we have created this campaign. After that we need to go to the ad set level. Yes, where we need to choose the instant form option because we are creating an instant lead form campaign, so we need to choose this one. And then we need to choose the page. As I have created a fake page, Namaste Shushikar, so I'll choose this page so that we'll run our ads. So after that we need to go to the audience section because to create a campaign, to run a campaign, we need to give a particular audience to the Facebook ads account so that they will show ads to them. So here we need to create a audience which we will target in the campaign. As you know, we need to target Indian location, so it will here, and then we need to choose which age group we are targeting. As my targeting age group is above 25, so I'll make it 25 to 65, and then we need to choose gender. So let's take an example. I need to show our ads only to men's, so I will choose men. And then we need to choose languages, so I will choose language English all, so that people who know English will see our ad. And then we have option of detailed targeting. Detailed targeting basic is a thing where we will detail target our audience, like which kind of audience we need to target. As let me give an example. As we are currently working on a immigration consultant who are giving visas for Canada, and I will choose a targeting option for the same. Let me choose people who want to study abroad. So as you can see, we have an option here like study abroad, people who have interest in study abroad, so I will choose this one. So this will save our audience, like what kind of audience we need to target in the campaign. I will save it and I will name it new audience and I'll save it. Once I'll save it, now we have the option for the placement targeting, like on which Facebook placement or Instagram placement we need to show our ads. So I'll edit it and I'll go to the manual placement. You can choose the advantage plus placement as well, but once you choose it, you don't have the control where you want to show your ads. As in the manual option, we have the option like if I want to show our ads only on the Facebook and Instagram, not on the audience network. So I can choose it from here. Also we have the option if I want to target only the Facebook feed, not the Instagram feed, so I will check this off. So this is how we can target placement in the FB ad account. And as you know, most of the people are today are on the Facebook and Instagram, so we'll choose this and we will begin with it. And then I'll click on the next button, and now we are on the ad set level. As you can see, at the ad set level we already have the option, like we have already choose our page Namaste Shushikar, which is a fake page, and you can also add an Instagram account as well, because you have choose the placement, so you need to choose the Instagram placement as well. And then we need to add image, primary text and description, which will show to the users. So I already create these things in a sheet. Like I have already created a primary text which will show to the visitors when they see our ads. So I will use this in the ad level. So now I will copy the content and then paste it here. As you can see, now the context, it's successfully pasted here. And then we need to add an image. I'll go to the add image section, and then I will choose, and here I will choose the upload option. It will take some time. Yeah, now we have the image here. I'll open it, and I'll click on the next button to continue with it. As you can see, now our image is set. Now I'll click on the done button, and as you can see, now our image is set, our text is at the top of the ad. Now we need to add a headline that will showcase to the visitors who will see our ads. As I have already created a headline, make your Canadian dream reality, so I'll put it here. Now all the things are ready. Now we need to give it a call to action, and I will get a code because we need a lead, so I will choose this. You can choose what you want. It's any not restriction, you can not choose any of them. If you think this will be a good call to action for your ad, you can choose them from here. Okay, and then all the things are ready, but now we are getting only one error, and that is the main part of this ad. Add a form. Basically, now Facebook told us to create a lead form where a user will redirect once they will click on the get a code button. So now we need to create the same. So what I'll do is, you get the option at the end to create a form. I'll click on it. Now we are on the contact form, and as you can see at the top we have given it a name and date. I will always prefer date at the end because this will give us an idea like when we have created this. And now I'll choose the option more volume, because with the help of this we'll get maximum lead from the lead form campaign. And then we need to give it an image that will set at the background. So for now I will choose the same image which we have used in the ads, because it is an example. So as you can see, the image is set at the background. You can choose another image as well. And then we need to put a short headline. I will choose this for now, book your spot. And then you need to give it a paragraph. So I will choose this paragraph for now. You can create a new content as per your demand, but as I have already created a landing page where we have all the content, so I will choose it from here. And then we need to add question. Like what kind of question? Basically we just need name, email and number from the client. That is the main thing we need from it always. But if you want any other things, you can also add it here. Like we have different options: contact with phone number, street address, state, province, detail, work information, demographics, date of birth, marital status. Like there are a lot of stuff. but we normally will use this only these three fields because we need this information to contact with the person. So I will only use these for now. And then we need to put a description here. I will use it. We will contact you shortly. Okay, so it will show it here. So now if your website have a privacy policy page, you can check at the end. So if your website doesn't have any privacy policy page, then you can use about us page or any kind of them. But as my website have a privacy policy page, so I will copy the link and I will paste it here, and I will name it privacy policy, so that if someone to know like what kind of things we are giving, they'll go to this page. And then at the last, message for the lead, you can set as per your convenience what kind of message you want to set. As we have set it, thank you, you are all set, you can visit our website. And at the last, I will give it my website link, so that once people fill up the form, they will go to this page. And call to action like contact now or call now, you can take any of them. Then I will click on the create form button. Oh, it's getting the description. I will use the same description as previous one. Yeah, so now I will click on the create form button. As you can see, now we have the form. Now everything is set, our ad is set. Once people click on the get on button, they will go to this form and they will fill the form, and we will get the lead in the FB admin. So now I will publish it. Now it's being published. Now the campaign is published, and when someone up fill the form, we will get the result here and you can download it from here. So that's how we do it. Thank you so much for watching my video.
If you like my video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you have any query and concern, you can directly contact us through the number flashing on the screen. Thank you so much.